bell jar, well, they are used for packing plants up.
Look, it was in the hotel.
That's what was shining.
It was over one of the plants I had delivered this morning.
Yoo-yoo, that bell jar's not for packing plants, it's a protection. And that's not a flower, it's a pepper plant.
A pepper plant?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, a pepper plant. It's very pretty.
But Yo-Yo, don't you know pepper makes you sneeze?
Yes, everyone knows that.
Achoo! Oh, it's used for covering the pepper plant. Now we know what to do. Cover the plant.